Now, from a lot of 30 bulbs which include 6 defective, a sample of 4 bulbs are drawn at random with replacement. With replacement means the drawn bulb is put in the lot again. Find the probability distribution of number of defective bulbs. Since the drawn bulb is put in the bag again, then we can use Bernoulli trial, and the number of success remains same in each trial. Means if we let P be the probability of getting a defective bulb, and Q is the probability of not getting a defective bulb. And getting a defective bulb is considered as a success. Success remains same in each trial. Example, if we draw first defective bulb, then its probability is, there are 30 bulbs, 6 are defective, then probability is equal 6 by 30. Since the drawn bulb is put in the deck again, then again there are 6 defective bulbs and total number of bulbs is 30. Then probability of getting next defective bulb is 6 by 30. Then the drawn bulb is again put in the bag, and so on. Then P equal probability of getting a defective bulb out of 30 is 6 by 30, means 1 by 5, and Q equal not defective bulb, 1 by 5 is defective, means not defective is 4 by 5, and number of trials 4. Now let X represent the number of defective bulb then possible values of X are no defective bulb, 1 defective, 2 defective, 3 defective, or there are 4 bulbs, means 4 defective. Probability of getting no defective bulb means X equals 0. We know that the formula probability of getting R success in n trial is equal NCR P to the power R Q to the power n minus R, Bernoulli trial formula. Then probability of getting 0 success is 4C0, number of trial is 4, P to the power 0, Q to the power 4 minus 0. Put the value of PQ, we have 4 by 5 to the power 4, means it is equal to 256 by 625. Now probability of getting 1 success is equal 4C1 P to the power 1 Q to the power 3. Then 4C1 means 4 into value of P is 1 by 5, value of Q is 4 by 5 to the power 3. It is also equal to 256 by 6 to 5, x equal 2 means 2 success, 4C2 probability of P is 2, Q equal Q to the power 2, value of 4C2 is 6 into 1 by P square, 1 by 5 square and 4 by 5 square. We have 96 by 6 to 5, x equal 3 means 4C3, P to the power 3, Q to the power 1, 4C3 means 4, P to the power 3 means 1 by 5 to the power 3, and Q to the power 3 means 4 by 5, and it is equal 16 by 625, and x equal 4, 4C4, P to the power 4, Q to the power 0. We have 1 by 5 to the power 4 means 1 by 6 to 5. Then probability distribution of the given event is obtained by this table. X random variable, P is respective probabilities. When x equals 0, then respective probabilities is 256 by 6 to 5. When x equals 1, 256 by 6 to 5. When x equals 2, 96 by 6 to 5. When x equals 3, 16 by 6 to 5. When x equals 4, 1 by 6 to 5. Means when the probability of success remains same in each trial, we use Bernoulli trial. Means the given question, the drawn bulb, the drawn ball must be put in the bag again. Means the given question have the word with replacement. Then we use Bernoulli trial.